Seo Cultúrlann ní Chanáin in Ire in san níor tuisgurt Éireann, agus seo at cultartha na hÉireann agus at teanga fásta.
Tá Gaelic faoi cheilt cura bheith an seo, ba tá sé an agus tá muid géirí sin a thuirteach agus a orbert agus a bheith cuidean den grasíal den le.
Well, Irish is very much something that belongs to this place, whether you've just arrived, whether you've been here so long, and it's integral to the fabric of the land, and it should be heard everywhere. And it's not restricted to Cultúrlann or to particular cultural identity or a particular type of people. So some people sadly haven't had the opportunity to hear it or learn it, and what we try and do is make it accessible to anybody who hasn't had that chance.
It's caithear answer for Honya Misha. Like it's like a hobby now, that's what I do. And Ian talk, they're brilliant, they're really brilliant. It's less social, I'm social.
Slán go fáil tarsteach a rís tá mé ag fulam galore agus bé an crack mai, bé an crack ínta mai.
When I was at school, I did a bit of Irish, and then for years and years I didn't do any Irish, and then I just always felt I had lost something by not continuing it all my life. So then when I got time again after I retired, I went back to learning Irish again, and I'm so glad I did.
I find the classes are very friendly. There's good crack. You're meeting people who have the same interest as yourself, and the teachers are always there to help you to. If you don't be afraid to make mistakes. If you make a mistake, you're helped sort of correct it, but it's not done in a way you would have done at school many years ago. It's in a very friendly atmosphere and supportive.
I can't hardly think now without thinking in Irish. Before you know it, you're saying slán and you're saying Gurmila my agad, and before I never said that. So not only am I learning Irish, my family and the people who I know that knew me all my life are also learning a little bit of Irish.
We work with a lot of music in the Cultúrlann, so we teach Irish traditional classes, and we do that every week. So we have about 300 students come to our Acadú Ceol, which is our music academy next door to this building, and we put on a huge amount of festivals and events that make the stage available to kind of raise up those that are working particularly with the language and closely with our culture.
It made me more confident playing around people, because I wasn't really able to play in front of anyone.
Tá sé anhaid an sia sosialta agus bíon crack mai hugging.
When me ansoltas is bralam an seo.
We run an Irish Language Youth Club a couple of nights a week, and that's a real asset for the children that are attending Gael Scolanna in the area, so the Irish medium education. So we get lots of children come and take part in the activities, and that's another social space for them as well.
Well, tá sé milse na tábhacht a loch na Gaeilge nar an cinneáil magnadal tá an do loch na Gaeilge nar a seos rud muoi, tá sé ionta tábhacht a bheith muid caiilte gan é.